In Chapter 5A of Spanish 3, we also look at the present perfect with the past participles. So the past participles differ slightly from the ando, yendo, which is the present participle. So if it's an AR verb, here's our ending right here. It's going to be auto. And if it's an ER or an IR verb, our ending is going to be ido. Those are the past participles instead of ando, yendo. And the present perfect is going to use the verb haber, which means to have, kind of. We conjugate haber in a very strange way in the present tense. Yo, tú, has, él, ha, nosotros hemos, and ellos han. So this participle is like the ed in English. So if I want to say that I have spoken, I would say yo he. That's the I have, and then I take the verb hablar and I add my ending for the past participle. Just say spoken. Or he has eaten. Él ha comido. We take the verb comer and we put it in the past participle, and that means eaten. So listened. There's a lot of irregulars though for all of these. The auto-edo goes for most verbs, but we do have to watch out for a couple of irregulars. First of all, we've got to watch out for double vowels. And the only thing we need to worry about the double vowels is just separating the sounds of the two vowels. So if we want to say leído, and we just write it like this, that says leído. We want it to be leído. So to separate the sound of the two vowels, we're going to add that. Same thing with fallen, or heard, or brought, broughten, whatever. So when we have these two vowels, we separate the sound of the two vowels using an accent. The other irregulars, and I'll erase these, but I do want to see them on your notes when I check your notes. But I'm going to write a list of irregular past participles. Okay, the irregular past participles are poner for put, placed or set, becomes puesto. Romper for broken is going to be roto. For hacer, for made or done, is going to be hecho. For escribir, for written, will be escrito. Volver, for return, will be vuelto. And this could also be devolver, or anything else that, oh, I forgot an I in escribir. And then morir is muerto. I know I'm missing one. Let's see. Bear is visto. And resolver is resuelto. So those are our regular past participles, and we're going to use them with this verb. It's got a helper verb just like the progressive in the other notes. So we have written would be hemos escrito. They have died would be han muerto. When we put these two pieces together to form the present perfect.